Couple minutes and go through this simulation just so you can see how it works so that you can do this batteries and bulbs activity. When you open the Circuit Construction Kit DC app, this is what it will look like, and you'll be using this intro mode. And over here I'm just showing part of the page that shows some of those circuits that you will be building to test. So when this app opens up, the first thing you'll see is over here on the left, these are the lists of components that you can use to make the circuit. Here's a battery. The little red circles indicate connection points, places where you can connect wires. The blue with the little line in it, those represent electrons. So right now there are no electrons moving. Here's a wire, and to make a connection, all you have to do is put it down so that the connection points overlap and it will automatically connect. So those two are now connected. If you want to get rid of something, if you put something in that you don't want there, just click on it. It'll be highlighted like that, and you can delete it and you can get rid of it. Now in all these circuits we're using light bulbs as the load, and the reason for that is because when light bulbs light up, you know they're connected correctly. And light bulbs have two connection points, this one at the very tip of the bulb and then on the threads. And that's because the filament, which is on the inside of the bulb that actually produces the light, one end of that filament is connected to the threads over here on the inside. If you break a battery or a bulb rather open and look, that's where one of those wires is connected, and the other one goes down through the middle and is connected to the tip. So those are the two connection points on a bulb. And you're going to be trying to figure out how to connect everything together and make them work. So let me just show you like this circuit right here, number 3. To make that circuit, we bring one wire in and we make that connection there. Notice the wires don't bend like they do in the actual drawing, so it will look a little bit different. And then we've got a wire at the bottom, that's this one. And so the tip of the, if you grab the red handles, looks like you can rotate the bulbs and things around. So that top wire is connected to the tip of the bulb, and then this bottom wire here is also connected to the tip of the bulb. And so we see a whole lot of current flowing, no current flowing through the bulb, and when it's connected correctly and lights up, you'll see yellow rays of light coming off of it. So this one obviously is one that does not work. And the flames here indicate that this gets really, really hot. So one of the things that you'll be doing in this lesson, when you have a connection where the bulb does not work, it will be because of one of two reasons. One reason is because you've created a short circuit. This is a short circuit. And a lot of heat is always a characteristic of a short circuit because you have really, really high current flow. An open circuit will also make the bulb not light up, but it will do it for a different reason. So this is that one right there. So no matter what your prediction was, the observation here was that the bulb doesn't light up and it's a short circuit because we have flames. Now, I want to show one of these other ones. Take that one. By the way, if you want to get rid of something again, just highlight it, hit delete, and it will go away. Let me try this one down here on the right, number 6. For that one, see the bulb is oriented like that. We'll put it over here to the side. We've got a wire going from the tip to the glass part of the bulb, and another wire from the other electrode to the tip of the bulb. So that's this wire right here. And now this one, notice they've got it connecting on the glass part. I'm going to put 2 wires in to make this one a little bit easier to kind of show the bend. So I've just made basically one longer wire with a bend. Now when I try and touch it to the glass, notice that there is no automatic connection point. You can click on that too, by the way, and get rid of it. And so if you try and touch it somewhere where there actually isn't even a connection point, like on this, again, obviously the circuit will not work. So those are some tips on how the simulation works. You can work through the batteries and bulbs activity now and predict which ones of these you think will light up, and then build them and check your predictions.